were young, running from a...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some cleaning motivation. As you can see, I have a mess behind me. We're going to be cleaning the master bedroom today. And I do have a few other things that I need to get done. I need to fold some laundry and do some other tidying up around the house. So I'll take you guys along the way. I have Holland here with me. That is my almost 4-month-old. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys the room prior to cleaning. That way you can see the before and after. And as you can see, it's just a chill day today. I have a big shirt on. My hair is just in a little messy bun. And we're just hanging out, listening to Christmas music and getting the house all cleaned up. I plan to get another side table eventually, but you know, furniture is very costly and I'm on a budget right now with Christmas coming around. So that will have to wait. So over here I have our clean bedding that I washed last night. Some headphones, just some random stuff, everyday life stuff. Riley's stool that should not be in here. Just clutter, clutter, clutter. This area here on the dresser tends to get the most messy. We kind of just use it as a drop zone, which I hate, but that's just what it is right now. We have literally nothing in this room, but yeah. running a few errands and I stopped at Kirkland's and Target on the way. I picked up this wooden riser, and how pretty is this? I'm so in love with this riser, you guys. It's not even funny. It goes so good with my cutting board right there. Also my peg row. I think it looks good with all of this little stuff over here. I've been eyeballing this for a very long time and I finally got it. I'm so happy with my purchase. I am so into these wood tones right now. I also picked up this little guy here, this gnome. He is so cute too. He was $12.99. It's so worth it. Look at his little beard. I just love this so much. I might even have him sit on this. We'll see. I'm gonna have my soaps displayed on this, my dish soap. So I'm excited to get that galvanized one out of there and replace it with this one. And then from Target, I picked up these plates. For those of you that don't know, I do take care of my dad and he has suffered from a stroke. So the plates that I have are too heavy for him, and I thought these were super lightweight, so he's able to carry these easily. I believe they're Threshold brand, I'm not sure, but they're really lightweight and easy to carry. So I got a couple of those. And then I got this mug. Sorry about my shadow, but I thought this was so cute. It says, "This is my Baham mug." So as I was getting ready to wash these, I saw after I peeled off the sticker that it says that these are the Room Essentials brand, so not Threshold. And also they are dishwasher safe and microwave safe.
What you doing is making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
For dinner tonight, I'm going to be making some ribs in the oven along with some fried party wings, some dinner rolls, and some macaroni and cheese and yams. So I'm really excited for tonight's dinner. It's gonna be so good. I've already preheated my oven to 300 degrees and I'm going to let that cook, the ribs cook in there for about 2.5 hours. I've already marinated the meat. Show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like there. It's been sitting in the oven. It's been sitting in the fridge for quite a while, so that's ready to go. It smells so good already. Just gonna wrap that back up. I'm actually gonna transfer it over onto this piece of foil and then wrap it up again and then place that in the oven. But I do have to run to the store really quick to grab some more ingredients, and then I'll be back. Dinner just got done and I'm so sorry that I could not take you guys on the process with me. I got too busy and carried away. So, you know, when I'm cooking, I'm in my zone. I forgot to record, but these are the ribs. And then we have our candied yams right there. I didn't have any marshmallows, so I did not add that on. And then our chicken wings and some baked macaroni and cheese. Yes, my stove is dirty right now, but I'm going to clean everything after we eat. Look at that baked macaroni and cheese. Everything smells so good. And then we have our rolls there. So yeah, let me just show you guys really quick how tender these ribs are. I already cut a piece. See how it just shreds apart? So tender and so good. This is from the oven, you guys. So good. So that's dinner. So I think I'm going to end the video here. I got most of my cleaning done. I ran my errands and now I can finally relax. We've cleaned our room, so it's nice and cozy for tonight when I get ready to go lay down. I think right now I'll go ahead and have a nice cup of hot cocoa and watch a Christmas movie and just enjoy the rest of my night. So until then, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.